surpassing all BTS members. Kim Taehyung has once again proven the power of his global popularity in the entertainment world. The idol, also known as Kim Taehyung, suddenly became the most talked about topic on the internet after his name shot to the top of global trending within just 2 minutes. The news immediately surprised and excited fans from many countries. The member of the legendary group BTS is indeed known for having an extraordinary influence on social media and in the international entertainment industry. This trending phenomenon began when a new piece of content featuring Taehyung started circulating online. In a very short time, millions of users began discussing it, pushing his name to trending lists across various social media platforms. The speed at which Taehyung's name climbed to global trending is even being described as one of the fastest moments in K-pop fandom history. In just 2 minutes, keywords related to him were already being discussed by fans across the world. Fans known as ARMY quickly flooded social media with comments, photos, and video clips of their favorite idol. Many said that Taehyung's star aura always manages to capture public attention. Some also commented that Taehyung's charisma is something that is hard to match. Every time he appears, whether through photos, videos, or public appearances, the reaction is always massive. Interestingly, this phenomenon also sparked comparisons with other members of BTS. However, many entertainment industry observers believe that each member has their own strengths, and trending moments like this simply reflect Taehyung's current wave of popularity. Meanwhile, international media have begun highlighting how a single idol can trigger a global wave of online conversations in such a short time. This clearly shows the massive influence of K-pop culture in today's digital world.